the sum of the squares of the integer solutions of the equation x raised to the x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 1. So here x is an integer, and we want to solve this. So in general, if you have an exponent, you're either going to have a number. Let's say if it's in the form a to the b equals 1, either b is going to equal 0 and a cannot equal 0, or a is going to equal 1 and b is anything. So we'll just say a equals 1. And then the other case would be if a is negative 1 and b is even. So these are all the three cases we have to consider. So start with case 1. B is 0, so the exponent is 0, so that means x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Factoring this out, we get x equals 2 and 3. So a does not equal 0, so the base is not 0. So if the base is either 2 or 3, this works. Okay, so the exponent is 0. That's done. Now the second case, we want x to be 1. Let's see if that works. So if the base is 1, x is 1. So we have 1 raised to the 1 squared minus 5 times 1 plus 6. That's 1. And then this is just 0. No, this is 2. That's 1. This works. Okay, third case, we want the base to be negative 1. So x equals negative 1. So we have negative 1 raised to the negative 1 squared minus 5 times negative 1 plus 6. So negative 1 on the bottom, and then negative 1 squared is 1, plus 5 plus 6. That's going to be negative 1 to the 12th, which is 1. That works. So these are the 4 solutions, but we want to find the sum of the squares of these guys. So just go in order. We have 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 1 squared plus negative 1 squared. So that's 4 plus 9 plus 1 plus 1. That's going to equal 15. And that's our final answer.